Wagwan film people, me love you so much, enough respect. Me name Mokisa Ronald. Me I go teach you the Jamaican language right now. We have letters which exist in English alphabet but don't exist in Jamaican language. We have letter C, H, Q, and X. C is replaced by K or S depending on the sound of the word. We have the word car. In Jamaican language becomes kia. Have the word can. It becomes kian. We have the word can't. It becomes kian. We have the word carpenter. It becomes carpenter. We have the word camp. Becomes camp. Have the word campan. Becomes compan. Have the word country. Becomes country. We have letter H. H is replaced by vowels. A, E, O, U, depending on the requirement. We have the following words in English and Jamaican. We have the word hard. In Jamaican language, this word becomes hard. We have the word help. In Jamaican language, it becomes help. We have the word him. In Jamaican language, it becomes him. We have the word hope. In Jamaican language, it becomes warp. We have the word hook. In Jamaican language, it becomes hook. Letter Q is replaced by letter K. In Jamaican alphabet, we don't have letter Q, but we have K. For example, question becomes question. Even the spelling changes. We have the word quality. When it comes to Jamaican language, this word becomes quality. Even the spelling has to change according to the pronunciation. We have the word quantity. Quantity becomes quantity. We have the word queen. Queen remains queen, but the spelling has to change. We have letter X. X is replaced by KS and GZ, depending on the sound as shown in the following words. We have the word axe. Axe remains the same, but the spelling has to change. The spelling is AKS. We have the word example. In Jamaican language, this word becomes example. We have the word examination. When it comes to Jamaican language, this word becomes examination according to the pronunciation. Let's learn about the following words. The word pay is a Jamaican word meaning pay. We have the word stay. When it comes to English, it means stay. We have the word mere. When it comes to Jamaican, it is mere, but English may. We have the word clear, meaning clear. We have the word beer, meaning bay. We have the word wear, meaning way. Make we learn both the Maya sentence. Them did pay me. They paid me. Where part you stay? Where do you stay? This is a month. This is a month of May. Thank you for learning Jamaican patois. No respect. Any comment, put it in a comments. God bless soon.